So the next person I wanted to introduce very quickly was actually this other force of nature, my dear friend from 40 years now, Zarminae Ansari, my true bachpan ki saheli, in the fullest sense of the term. So she and I went to Pearson College together, a United World College, and the mission of that college was to bring people from around the world, 16-year-olds around the world, throw them together and see how they fare. And this is how someone from India, someone from South India, and someone from Pakistan, grew to develop a bond, and a bond, touch wood, that has lasted 40 years. She said, I want to do this. And I said, absolutely, we'll do this. We'll do this on a regular basis. So a tip of the hat to the international, called the United World College movement, and to the energy that Zarminae brings to every conversation that she participates in. So Zarminae has gone on to have a career in architecture, but over the last decade, really her focus has been this baby. And around the world, she's opened chapters. So again, to Junaid's call in terms of developing traction in Toronto, it would be wonderful. I mean, we will not be always able to get people of Dr. Arfa's stature, but I think we will get people of Dr. Arfa's stature if we demonstrate that there is a sizable enough community and energy around Urdu and the love for Urdu. So I think I'd call upon all of us to be able to do that.